I'm eating Porto in Paris. It looks like this. Yeah, let's see how it goes. The dipping sauce is different, but to be fair, it's so good. Like, it's hitting the spot for me.